Welcome to Ayurved Gatha channel. Today we discuss about Shatavari. Shatavari literally means she who possesses 100 husbands. Means she is capable of supporting or nourishing 100 husbands. It refers to a herb's strong rejuvenating effect on the female reproductive system, enhancing reproductive health and general wellness. It heightens the powerful role in promoting female reproductive health and general wellness. शतावरी मधुरा तिक्ता शीता स्निग्धा गुरुस्तन्या रसायनी बल्या दीप्तकरी वृषा वातपित्त प्रशामिनी means Shatavari has cooling effect, decreases heat from body, heavy, high in protein, carbohydrate. Snigdha Guni galactagogues means it increases breast milk production in lactating women, rejuvenating new cells and act as immunomodulators, strengthens the body and it also improves digestion. Common uses as Shatavari Churna, tablets, Kalpa, Ghrita and decoction are available in the market. So use Shatavari. Shatavari is best for female reproductive system as well as the lactating mother who has decreased the quantity of milk. Nowadays it is very helpful, and I am finishing my topic.